Alright guys, we're here at Walmart because we're gonna pick up a few things that we need for the vlog. Actually, it's gonna be a pretty lit vlog, and I'll see you guys after we get out of Walmart. Let's go.
Why? Why?
Wave at them. What's up, man? Oh, look! Dude, like, what a creep. I was even like waiting. There was no point in waiting.
I know, right? He was just like, they're waiting for us.
I'm the one
Exactly. He turns around to come back towards us, and he just goes back to the same place. And when we passed him, dude, he was just looking at us like, and I waved at him too. I was like, what's up, dude?
Bro, and now what's scaring me is that he probably got my license plates and they're under my name, dude. My driver license.
Nah, but I doubt it. We're good.
We were at all points far, and he never actually even got it, right?
Bro, what if he was like a off-duty cop? He was just staring what we were doing.
Nah, but then he would have pulled you over.
Bro, he's treated like a tornado. All right, let's go. Do this.
Get it.
Dude, what the heck? Oh, Stab, we still here?
We still here. We all still alive, so we all good. Let's get it.
Bro, look at this.
It's a sandstorm.
Oh my. Bro.
Now let me get over this hole.
There. We're heading back into the thunderstorm. Bro, I can't even keep the camera still for you guys.
Alright, now do that thing that you did before.
Yeah, wait, hold up, stop. Dude, so I was just standing under the tree right now because he had just parked here. And look, a bird decides to take a crap on me. What is, dude, that is so gross. You're gotta be.
Bro.
Oh my god. Alright, so. Danny, why are you so tall, dude?
Macaroni cheese at McDonald's, bro. That's the secret.
So he said the secret's macaroni cheese at McDonald's?
Yeah, McDonald's.
Hey, watch out!
If you walking
I don't know why. Are y'all gonna go fishing or
Really
what?
good smoke pump is chlorine, like cool chlorine and brake fluid. Mix those together.
Why are you running?
Because we're recording.
Where is it at? It's not over there, right?
Ping pong?
Because that's like the card things and everything. Where's like
We
for
got
the,
ping pong balls. It's over here.
where's like the computers and all that?
Bro, were they just hugging? Like, what was that?
Balls are right here. There's someone here with sports stuff. Oh, right here. Right here.
We have found the place.
Wait, is it right here?
Yeah, I just see golf balls.
Oh yeah, those are totally gonna
Nothing?
No, I'm looking.
I mean, can't we just ask the people and see if they sell ping pong?
There's some in Target, 32 for 10. That's all I got.
Excuse me.
I don't know.
We gotta get the things. Everything for us is ready to come. Alright, what are we gonna get? The ping pong ball, man. Alright, what are we obviously gonna do that? Thank you.
Y'all found them?
$10 for 36.
Wait, do we need that many though?
I mean, we can do a small one.
I can do a huge one. Like you just put 4 in one.
Yeah, we'll just get this one.
Just get like a few.
So like 2 of these.
Yeah, just get like 2 of those.
Oh, you hold it.
Alright, come on, let's go. Like one of these or one? Hey, Danny, one like 2 or 1?
2.
2. Alright, what else do we need?
Full chlorine and brake fluid.
Bro, we're not. Bro.
That's too much, dude.
Wait, but the ones that Eli knows how to do, you don't need all that, right? You just said tin foil and then
Yeah.
let's go get aluminum foil then, whatever.
Where's it at?
Haircut.
Got a cheap one.
Which one? Which one do we take?
This aluminum foil.
No,
How's that?
it's aluminum.
Isn't that what you need? Aluminum foil?
Yeah, aluminum right here. Look, there's
Dude,
one
what are
right
you doing? Like, remember your. Hey, hold on. Alright, we got 248. Is there any other cheaper? I feel like there should be like $1 one. Oh, 166.
What is it, aluminum foil?
Yes, it should. Is that the cheapest one there is?
Yeah. Yeah, you see?
Why?
Aluminum foil.
Let's go for this.
Alright, let's go.
Now we have to go find where he's at.
Finding Cheeto. Coming in your theater soon.
Cheeto!
Scream over louder.
Cheeto! Cheeto!
Running away from us. Buckets, dude.
Alright, let's go. Alright guys, we're leaving Walmart. We finally have got all the things we need. Sorry, my camera's like about to die in a little, so I'm gonna have to go charge it up. Dude, it's so dark already.
You know how to hit that rice gum. He does the outro the next morning. That's what you have to do. That's what rice gum always does.
Go, 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 go.
You probably catch it.
Dude, someone just looked at us. They were like, oh look. They pointed at the camera. They're like, look, they're vloggers.
Oh, I heard that. Look, you can catch the lightning on the storm.
Seriously, someone said that?
Yeah.
Was she like in the car?
No, she wasn't in the car.
The car's probably destroyed with food.
Yeah.
I mean, you are getting a car wash.
And now I'm touching my tires.
We're back to the Batmobile. It's over there, straight. Oh, look at them shiny, clean wheels. No evidence was found of what we were doing. Alright guys, we're still continuing with the vlog. It's the next day. We just woke up. Look at my room, what a mess.
Alright, where we going?
We're in a Whataburger right now. Yeah, that's fine. No, that'd be it. Thank you.
So, where are we going right now?
We're at a Target.
We're going to Target? And why is that?
Yeah, the ping pong balls at Walmart, kind of trash.
Alright, we're here at Target because the Walmart balls didn't work out. Where are they at?
I remember seeing you.
Jake. Jake Paul?
Jake Paul. Jake Paul.
We go here?
No. Let's check over.
Where are they at?
Hi guys, how's it going?
Hello. Go. Keep going.
The other one's what?
How much for Eli?
Ask him, be like, where's ping pong balls?
We're very close. It's on one of these.
was this one? There. Oh, sorry. Oh, not this one. It's one of these. We're close. Here we are. I've got a big pack there and a small pack here.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, we found
Hi
it.
guys.
So yeah, that's what you want?
How are y'all?
Which one do you want?
Which ones are the ones that you got?
I got these.
Oh my god, but we don't need that many though. Should we just take the $3 one?
Yeah, which one?
Dang, they're more expensive
One or
here.
two?
I guess you're right, the higher quality ones.
1 or 2?
Let's just take one.
Alright, bet.
We only took one yesterday, right?
No, we
took
took
two.
2. And we already used one whole box. Just for
Oh, we can return the other boxes. Well, it doesn't matter. Like I said, it's not even that much.
Okay,
Alright.
well, if we're gonna get the small one, might as well get the big one, because by the time we get that one, it's gonna be like $7 with tax. It's only $10.36.
Well, I mean, do we need that many?
But be smart with the money, though.
I mean, I guess. Okay, take that many. Alright, let's go.
Alright, so what we're gonna do now is that we had a massive fail trying with that ball, this one. So we're gonna do with this new ball. Get that trash ball out.
It came back. It's like I want to deal with y'all.
That's the four right here. Make sure you have the dull side on the outside, the clean side on the inside. Wrap it up like this. Oh, smoke bomb. I ripped it too much. The smoke bomb right here.
Alright, so that's how you do the smoke bomb. Just wrap the aluminum foil around the ball, and then there's the smoke
And
bomb.
then you gotta have a little hole in there.
Okay,
Now for the flame one,
he's gonna do the flame one now.
Oh man. Don't twist it up too much. Yeah, right there.
alright, you just gotta have it covered up.
You're twisting it too much.
And then like that. Don't have an opening on it.
Yeah. So make sure for the flame one, make sure not to have an opening one, like no opening, and just cover it with aluminum foil the same way with the smoke one, but make sure not to have a hole.
The smoke one don't have a big hole like this one. This is actually a fail.
Yeah, that one
That's
kind of
too
failed
big.
because he had a really big hole on it. So he's gonna redo the smoke one.
Let me see.
And then you just make a little hole up here.
There you go.
There you go.
There you go. So all you have to
Small
do
hole.
is make sure to have a hole on it, just a small one.
There you go. And now, let's go do it.
All right, let's go do it, guys. So that right there is like the fail. Look at that.
It's not
Those
supposed to be
balls
like that.
suck. So let's get it out of the video. Okay.
All right, so which one should we do first?
I said a flame. No, let's do the smoke. So they
Smoke?
know. Yeah.
All right, let's see. Where's that third? Right there.
Did it go up?
6.5 hours later.
Yep, there you go. There you go.
That was it? It doesn't last a little longer?
No, that's why if you want to make a big one, you just put 2 or 4.
Okay, dude, that was
Then you
pretty.
can just
That was
crush
pretty sick. All right. Do we? What else? What's
Let's
next?
do the fail one. See how exactly it shows up if you failed.
Okay, let's see the failed one.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow for sure.
There you go.
Oh, there we go. So that's a failed one. Look, you can't even see flames. Oh, dang.
So,
So-
that's what kind of the flamethrower looks, but it spins around.
Yeah. So. Okay. So let's do the flamethrower now. It won't get to the grass, right?
Time will tell.
Look, let's just do it over there. Let's just do it over there. Okay, so now we're about to do the flamethrower. We're gonna see how this one goes.
I'm gonna stand back a little bit.
3 weeks later.
Dang, look at that. I don't know if y'all can see the flames, but that thing is like catching on fire.
You can even hear the wind. But if it's on the ground, like if you have a concrete that you don't care about, it spins around.
Alright, we're gonna go in real quick and make a bigger smoke bomb and so we can see how it goes, alright? So we'll be back real quick. So we just pretty much created a bigger one, so we're gonna see how much smoke this one creates.
This one has 5 balls inside of it.
Many months later.
No, this is gonna be like this flamethrower. A bit fail.
Okay, so I'm assuming that's a fail because it's supposed to be a smoke bomb, not like a freaking furnace.
How to start a fire.
That's it.
That's it.
Okay, fail. Put the other one in there.
Oh, it's
It's
still
still
burning
going.
inside.
2,000 years later.
Oh, there it goes.
There it goes. There it goes. Oh, dang! Look at that. Dang. Is that it? Did it? Yep. I mean, it did a lot. Look, where's the balls? Look, the balls are gone. Like, they're not there no more. Look at that. Oh my. So that's pretty much, guys, how y'all make a smoke bomb and flamethrower. Alright.
Nope. So, what are your opinions on this, Alex?
I like the big one. The big one's pretty cool, you know, and did a lot of smoke, so. Yep. Good stuff.
Yep.
And here's the scientist behind it right here. This little Chinese boy right here.
Yeah, right, that's me right here.
Little Chino right here.
Yep.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching our video. Make sure to like and subscribe, share the video to all your friends, and you know, I'll see you tomorrow because we're gonna do another vlog for tomorrow. See ya guys. Hey guys, what are y'all doing in the restroom?
What the?
What is this?
Cool.
What are y'all doing in there? What are y'all doing?
Oh my God! You're back in the trash can again.
Being Gary in there.
You